and welcome back to the Legal Explorer. I am Advocate Romana. Today I am sharing a very emotional and important judgment from the Kerala High Court that reminds us of our basic human responsibility. Let me take back to the case. A 100-year-old mother had to approach the court asking her own son to provide maintenance. The family court had already ordered the son to pay rupees 2000 per month, but the son refused, so he filed a reverse petition in the Kerala High Court saying, "Why should I pay? My mother is living with one of my other brothers. Let them take care of her." But the High Court strongly rejected his excuse. Justice P.V. Kunnikrishnan made it clear, just because there are other children, the son cannot escape his duty. Each child has a personal responsibility to look after their parents. The judge also said something very touching. The judge said, if his son refuses to take care of his own mother, then he cannot be called a human being. Now, the court was very unhappy that a 100-year-old woman had to go through cross examination just to get a very small amount of maintenance. Even though the court order was passed in 2022, the son still didn't pay. So revenue recovery proceedings had to be started against him. The court also thought about imposing cost on the son for filing such delay petitions after more than 1000 days, but spared him just because the mother didn't issue the notice and mother does not want his son to go through all this. So I want to conclude this video. Basically, the moral of the story is, no matter how many brothers or sisters there are, each child is equally responsible for their parents. This judgment reminds us that taking care of the parents is not a legal duty, it's a moral one. Let's spread this awareness. If you found this video useful, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Legal Explorer for more legal updates in simplified way.